Hello friends, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I clean up my kitchen after the weekend. This was actually my first weekend back at work since I had the baby, and so my husband was home alone with her for the weekend, and the house just seemed to be messier than usual. We're definitely still getting into the swing of things. As you can see, our kitchen has just been taken over by clutter and trash. First thing I'm going to do is pick up all the things on the floor that do not belong there. Now I'm just throwing away any trash from the floors. In the middle of this, my little baby woke up, so now I'm taking a little break and cuddling her. There's no way she's going back down for some more sleep, so I'm just going to pull her little nest right into the kitchen with me, and she'll just be my little cleaning partner. Alright, so now I'm moving on to the counters. I'm just going to clear off all the trash and put things where they belong. That includes all the dishes, so I'm putting those away. And then I'm moving on to washing the dishes, and I'm starting with all of Gianna's little bottle things. Because it was my first weekend back to work, I have a ton of bottle stuff that needs to be cleaned. And once I'm done with all of her bottle stuff, I'll move on to the regular dishes.
I'm on my own, broken alone. I feel the rain crashing down all around this empty town. I'm searching for the lost and found, but you don't care, you're unaware. Keep moving like the scars aren't even there. It's in the air like a blazing flare. Just stare, 'cause the flames will burn us. I thought you were the one for me. That's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. I used to kiss your head when you cried for me. Hold your hand while the pain was over. Keep you warm by the roaring sea. You meant the world to me.
Next it's time to clean out the sink, and I'm using a magic eraser to try and get up some of the stained stuff.
Never here when I'm in pain, you hide and disappear like shadows in the atmosphere, charting the stratosphere. Yeah. I prayed for you and kept you near in hopes you'd chase away my fears. I'm on my own, you made it so, and now I'm chasing nightmares. I used to run with you through.
And then I'm going right back to those countertops, moving everything.
Me, hope for us because I believe the home was just you and me. I thought you were the one for me.
Wiping down the surfaces. As you can see, they are pretty gross, especially near the stove. Unfortunately, in this apartment, my stove doesn't have an overhead fan, so I feel like things get pretty gunky over by the stove.
You meant the world to me. Oh, you meant the world to me. Oh, I'm gonna do this on my own. No point in blaming you, you did not know. Oh, I thought you were the one for me. That's why I give you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. Oh, you meant the world to me.
So next I'm moving on to this little table that was actually given to me when we first moved out on our own. It doesn't really have a place in this apartment, so it stays on my front porch, but I actually had started a project on my front porch, so I had to bring it into the kitchen.
No point in blaming you, you did not know.
So I'm just going to clean that off, and then I'm going to bring it right back to the porch where it belongs. And next we're moving on to the floors, which is one of my favorite parts about cleaning. I just feel like it's so satisfying when my floors are clean. So we're starting with sweeping.
You were the one for me. That's why I give you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me.
And we definitely have some really old tile on these floors. I have been on my hands and knees with bleach to scrub them, and although they get a little bit cleaner, it's not that big of a difference compared to when I just use this next object, which is my Swiffer Wetjet. And I have the Mr. Clean Gain scent inside of here, and I just love the smell of that. It leaves the whole kitchen smelling nice and fresh. I'm just showing here, I recently organized the pantry, threw out a bunch of old stuff. And now it's time to put away those dishes. I've gave them some time to dry. And after I put away the dishes, it looks like the kitchen is clean. So thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye!